Hey everyone, Jillian here, and in this short video, I'm going to show you how to use a GoPro as a webcam or as another kind of behind the scenes shots in any live streaming event that you might do. I'd like to say that it's super easy, that you just plug it in and get going, but it's kind of not. There's a few little tips and tricks that you can do, and so I'm going to show you how to do that. So I have the GoPro Hero 9 here. And this also works with the GoPro Hero 8. So what you want to do is get the media mod. So you'll notice here that it's not just the GoPro, but it's got this kind of mod around it. And basically what that does is it gives you the ability to plug in HDMI, but then also charge it USB-C at the same time. Now that's really important because if you know anything about GoPros, the batteries die really quickly. So if you're going to use it as like a behind the scenes shot, which I really like to do, or a safety shot, or just kind of having like another wide angle lens option for streaming, then you need to get the media mod. So I like the GoPro Hero 9 or 8 and then get the mod that goes along with that. Let's start with power. So since you have this USB-C power input, I like to have a simple little power bank. You can pick these up anywhere. They're really, really cheap. So you'll see mine even has gaff tape on it. It's because I've literally taped this to a plexiglass at a hockey game because I didn't have a cable that was long enough. So you're going to want to get a USB-C to USB cable to charge this as you use it as a streaming device. And then you need a micro HDMI cable. Let's see if they can pick that up. Okay. I got this one on Amazon, I'm sure. It's really long. It's braided. And the thing I like about this cable is it's kind of got some like metal in it. So it like kind of keeps its shape a bit, which can be helpful depending on your setup. I'm also using a cam link to plug this into the computer. Hold on. I will show you that. All right. So here you go. This is the cam link. All right. So you'll have your HDMI, micro HDMI to HDMI cable. It plugs into the cam link, and then you can see it turns into a USB input. So you just plug this straight into your computer. All right, so we've got our power cable plugged in, and in just a second, I'm going to plug in the HDMI cable, the micro HDMI cable. But what I really recommend you do is turn your GoPro on first. For some reason, if I plug in the HDMI cable first and then turn it on, sometimes I just get an eternal black screen, which is not fun. Who wants that? Nobody. So I've turned it on. As you can see, I've got it powered. And now I'm going to plug it in, and I'm going to show you what happens as you plug it in. So you can see I'm in a scene here where this input is taking up the screen. And it's taking just a second. Now, do you see it's not defaulting as a webcam. It's defaulting as like showing me what's on this memory card. So with the GoPro, let me show you back here. You've got two buttons, okay, which is kind of like not great, but it's okay. The side button, which is the power button, is what's going to allow you to select through the different options, the menu options. And then this top record button, that's like your enter button, okay? So side is select, select, select. And then the top red button that you usually use for recording is enter, okay? So let me go back to here. So you'll see I've got these different options. So I've got to select, tab through, right, until I get to this final option on the right here. So now I'm going to hit the top button to select it as a webcam. But you'll notice there's a whole bunch of stuff, junk on here. It's not what we call clean HDMI. So what I need to do, even once that bottom tab comes up, I still see my battery and stuff like that. That's no good. So I'm going to hit the side button again, and then look, now I've got menu options on the bottom there. So can you guess which one I want to select? It's that one with the eyeball, okay? So I get on there, I hit that top button, and now I have clean HDMI. Look, I'm already editing this video for you right now. So I love this as a kind of cool behind the scenes camera. I just think that it looks better than any other webcam that I've had. All right, you can see my whole little setup here in my bedroom. I'm not going to show you my bedroom because it's a freaking disaster. But here's all my gear, here's all my stuff. Now I will say, side by side, I don't love it as an actual camera. I mean, I'm not hating it, but it's not as clear, of course, as the Sony that I'm using as my main camera, or even as this Canon 80D as a side camera. So here's my Sony, here's my Canon, and then here's my GoPro, but it is very cool as a behind the scenes camera. So if you're looking to add something mobile or something kind of just interesting, I recommend getting a GoPro. Again, this is the Canon. No, this is not Canon. This is the GoPro Hero 9 with the media mod. And then I have a micro HDMI cable with some type of capture card. You can do whatever capture card you'd like. I'm using the Camlink. And yeah, I think it's a nice little addition to the toolbox. Also, it's really cool for other video projects that you might find yourself needing something really small and versatile. All right. So if you have any questions, let me know. If you liked this video at all, if it gave you any value, please like and subscribe to wherever I end up posting this, because I'm not really sure where I'm posting it yet, but I want to share any tips and tricks I have with my community and my friends and other content creators. All right. GoPro. It's pretty cool. Go get yourself one today. All right. Bye, guys. See ya.